Okay? I do see someone here na making a decision. Actually, hindi nga making, parang nakapagdesisyon na siya. Pero parang ito ay nire-review niya, binabasa niya ulit, or nire-recall niya sa mind niya, puwede ring tine-testing niya, pina-practice, whatever. But someone here could be doing that. And this might surprise you with the Tower energy. Let us see. For some reason, I just saw the full energy. Someone right here could be try to risk something. Yeah, this person here would like to take chance on something. Yeah, I just heard para sa'yo. Para sa'yo. Maybe someone here could be doing something para sa'yo. And altogether, let's find out ano ba yun? Okay, so let us see. Kung sino man ito, kabaliktaran na naman ito 'no, ng energy na ating nahagip dun sa ating main channel 'no. Mamaya sabihin ko sa inyo kung bakit. Same situation pero magkaiba sila ng energy, okay. Yeah, we got here the Ten of Cups, see, look at that 'no. And center of the reading 'no, ng energy nitong person na 'to is the Six of Wands right in here. Oh, see, look at that, we've got here 'no. See, magkaiba talaga sila. Ten of Cups, Ten of Coins right in here. Now we have the Nine of Wands, Empress, Knight of Swords, definitely. Bottom of the deck, Page of Coins, King of Swords, okay, and the Seven of Wands. So, hi and hello there, collective mini-miss yan. Welcome new subscribers. Returning Eastern buyers, thank you sa inyong walang sawang love at support for me. At kung hindi nyo pa alam, mayroon pa tayong other channel, link ay down below sa ating description box. No? At yan ay ang ating main channel, no? At doon nag-upload tayo ng collective readings for all signs araw-araw. At kung hanap ninyo ay reading per zodiac sign, meron din po tayo there. At yun nga wala tayong gender dito mga babes, babae, lalaki, LGBT, everybody welcome. Pwede rin pong i-switch yung mga roles dahil possible magkapalit-palit yan kasi general reading ito. And at the end of the day, everybody, you have your free will with you. Like, free nyo yung gamitin anytime, anywhere. At yun nga mga babes, no? Lalo po tayong time period dito. Pwedeng nangyari na to, pwede naman sa iba nangyayari na. Sa iba ay mangyayari pa lang, kaya naman, just take only what resonates, no? So, kaya ko sinabi 'no, na parang same scenario pero magkaiba ng energy because I do see na meron ditong in separation here with you guys 'no. This person here is missing you so badly right now 'no, and mukhang mas naiisip ka niya 'no, mas lalo na this past few days 'no. And this person right in here 'no, is trying to hold on, yeah, just like that song 'no, "Hold on." Baby, hold on, yan o, it's a ta-na-na-na. So, kung sino man 'tong energy na 'to 'no, holding on siya rito 'no, sa kanya ritong emotions and feelings na 'wag mag-release 'no or 'wag lumabas 'no, yung kanya rito 'no na, energy ng pagdaramdam 'no. Nagdadamdam siya dito 'no. With the Hangman energy, this person right in here 'no, ikaw ay nasa kanya ritong isipan 'no. But this person here is someone who's very serious dito 'no, with the Four of Swords and the Star card energy to heal this connection here for good. So, nakita natin dito that yes, just like dun sa ating other reading, this person also involve you into a third party situation but not all of them ay tao yung third party. Yung iba maaaring meron dito 'no, na ibang naging, bagay 'no, na naging sagabal sa inyo rito 'no, na connection kaya nagkaroon ng separasyon, no? But now, this person here is realizing, no, a lot of things. That's why this person, alam mo kung sino man ito, same energies ng ating nakukuha, no, nitong mga nakaraan-nakaraan, no. Alam mo kung sino man 'tong energy na 'to, na push talaga siya makipag-usap sa'yo, no. Kasi kung sino man 'tong energy na 'to, no, this person with the Ten of Cups, Ten of Coins right in here, no, yan, no. Malhe, no? Sino man 'tong energy na 'to, this person right in here is someone, no, na ganito yung kanya ritong hangarin dito, no? So, kung sino man 'tong energy na 'to, no, aside from that with this Four of Swords energy and there's this Ten of Cups right in here, this person right here na is someone, no, who is definitely dreaming of you sa kanyang tabi, definitely dreaming na buuhin ang inyong family if you are married and meron kayong child or children itong person na 'to, pero yung iba doesn't have to be, maybe you're in a committed relationship, maybe your boyfriend, girlfriend, no? Yung iba husband niyo ito, wife niyo ito. Just take how this resonates. This is your partner. This is your person. Okay? Who wants to do everything, no? Para lang magbalik tayo sa dati. Six of Coins energy. And now this person here is seeing you as the Empress. Someone who's very abundant. Someone who is definitely kaya niya talagang dalhin ang kanyang sarili. And someone very independent. Yan, no? So, it looks like this person here sees that meron ka na ngayon ng mga bagay na pwedeng dati ay pinapangarap mo pa lamang. So, pwedeng nakikita ka niya rito na pinupush mo yung iyong mga dreams, no? At nakikita niya rito, may mga balita siya na ikaw ay happy, no? Na na-achieve mo dito yung mga bagay na gusto mo or pinapangarap mo, no? But it is not about your success, no? It is not about you being successful na hinahabol-habol niya rito, but it is your love. Yes, no? Just like Eric Santos song, okay? Your love is like the sun that lights up my whole world. I feel the warmth inside. Definitely, that's your love na hinahabol-habol niya. Believe it or not, this person here, nag-transform talaga siya, no, into someone, no, na different version na ng kanyang self, no. And this person here, hindi siya hihingi ng kahit na ano sa'yo, kahit na isang singkong duleng, no. Hindi siya hihingi ng kahit na ano, wala siyang ipapabili sa'yo or whatsoever, no. This person right here, what he or she truly wants is your love. Mahalin mo lang ako ulit, yun ay sobrang sapat na para sa'kin. Ooh, la 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 la. So definitely, with the Knight of Swords energy and the Six of Coins, this person right in here will take some kind of actions at ipupush niya talaga. Ipupush talaga niya rito. Push na push talaga siya rito, no? Na mag-usap kayong dalawa, mag-usap kayong dalawa, no? And this person right in here is someone who wants to really bring back this connection here to life, no? So whatever reason na nagkaroon or naging dahilan ng inyong separation, no? Kung ano man yon, this person right in here is someone, no, who wants to clear the air, wants to make things right here with you guys, no, wants to build this connection one more time. And whoever this energy is, Page of Coins or the Page of Pentacles, King of Swords right in here, this person here is seeing, no, trying, no, na pag-aralin pa more yung kanyang mga gagawin dito, no. Alam ko sino man 'tong energy na 'to. This person really feels literally like with the Seven of Wands energy, pakiramdam niya umaakyat siya ng matarik na bundok. Eh, parang may energy siya rito, "Keri lang, susuungin ko ito." Kahit na ito pa ang pinakamatarik, kahit super taas pa nito 'no, kaysa sa Mount Everest. You know? Mount Everest man, Fuji, kahit ano pa yang mount na yan. Handa raw siyang akyatin yan. In other words, no, that's idiomatically expressing that this person here is willing, no, to go beyond, no, his or her limits, no, just to bring you back, no? This person is not after your money, he or she is not after your fame. If you are someone here na maganda na yung katayuan mo sa life, no? This person isn't after here your properties or possessions. This person only wants your love. Ay, so, sinasabi mo ba, Miss Yan, na kung sakaling tanggapin ko itong tao na 'to, no, only if you feel it, because the Six of Cups energy in the Star card, the universe will make you feel it, no, instantly. Okay, na totoo ang sinasabi nitong tao na 'to. Okay, hindi mo 'to pagdududahan, no, your feelings will do not have, no, even 0.001% of doubt. Okay, walang hesitations, walang doubts, no? So, mararamdaman mo talaga that this person here is only after your love, the warmth of your love, no? This person here is longing for that love, and that love alone, sobrang zapat na. Kaya nga he or she is willing to take, no, any mountains here with you guys, no, whatever that. The mountains are symbols of challenges, obstacles right in here, or even tests. But I'm in, no, this person here is telling us, okay, okay, kaya ko yan, you know. So whatever the case may be, expect some kind of actions, no? And ito ay magtutuloy-tuloy dito. And kung sino man tong energy na to, no, a lot of effort will be shown by this person, no, in order for you to come back into his or her life. No, yes, no, you heard it right, no? Wala siyang pakialam rito sa kung anong meron ka na ngayon. Wala siyang pakialam rito sa mga material things that you already have in your life, no? Wala siyang pakialam, no, dun sa mga possessions, properties, or abundances mo rito, sweetheart, no? This person, dun lang siya may pakialam sa mahalin mo ko, mahagkan ko ulit yung labi mo, mayakap kita muli, makasama sa aking pang-araw-araw, mahalin mo lang ako. Yun na. Super bubuhay na daw siya. Yeah, I know this person here is very, ay yung energy niya dito na very sweet and at the same time, no, very clingy. So, kasi naman itong energy na to, no, just take only what resonates. But this person, yes, if you're gonna ask me, if this person here is someone you can now trust your heart with, like hindi niya na ito sasaktan ever, like I'm gonna say, okay, from these answers that I'm seeing, it's a yes. Okay? So I do see na kung sino man tong energy na to, no, this person will not, okay, do anything that might lead to disappointment ninyo sa kanya. Like, wala. No? So, kasi naman tong energy na to, no, this is someone right in here, no, from what I'm seeing, really wants to have a stronger foundation in this connection, really wants this legacy, and really wants to have you sa kanyang tabi, okay, up until his or her last breath. Yes. And this person, no, if magkabalikan kayo dito at kung hindi pa kayo kasal, no, this person here, no, will definitely propose sa inyo right after this, no? So, hindi na magtatagal after niya rito na magbalik sa buhay ninyo or after niya rito na gumawa ng mga actions, Knight of Swords energy. This person here, no, will drop that a big question of, will you marry me? Or wala tayong gender dito na basta ayain niya kayo rito pakasal, makasama, magbabanggit siya ng mga ganyan, no? Okay? So, yeah. Wow! No, alam ko you're waiting for some kind of initials, no? Pero wala tayong nakikita ngayon. Ay, wala, Miss Yan. Pero may mga numbers, yan, no, na pwede nating magamit as a clue. You could be seeing 1010 right in here, no? Sa mga numbers, no? Sa mga cellphone numbers, pwede rin sa mga plate numbers, no? Kahit saan, no? Sa mga number ng resibo. Or this person here could be seeing a lot of number 10. 10 is the number of very powerful message that a new beginning na ito, no? Another chapter na ng inyo rito na love story. That's what I'm picking up. Aside from that number 10, we also have here the number 6. So I do see that this person here is really connecting sa kanyang soul. Ang mind, heart, and soul niya rito, no? Yun ang kanya ritong ginagamit, no? para makipag-communicate sa'yo. That's why I'm saying that this person here is very clear and very truthful sa kanya ditong mga sinasabi. And aside from that, no, we also have here the number 3, which states balance, no, spiritual number of balance, and um, union. That's what I'm picking up right in here. So this person here really wants to reunite here with you guys, to have this union, to have this legacy, to have this foundation right in here, no? Stronger foundation. And last but not the least number, we've got here the number 9. This person's only wish with the number 9, no, is to be with you. And wow, see? Wala na siyang hinahangad dito sa life niya 'no, kundi matupad ang itong only one wish niya. So yeah, these are all the messages I've got right here for you, sweethearts. Thank you so much again. I'm Yuriana Ani Saranghaeya, love and light. Annyeong.